friends, Sarah here with Boho Stitchery, and it is Monday, so it's time for Make and Knit Monday. So if you want to learn how to knit, grab some needles and some yarn and join me for Making It Monday. Hey guys, Sarah here with Boho Stitchery. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have this really gorgeous lacy sort of ribbed stitch scarf to teach you guys how to do. I'm calling this the easy as 1, 2, 3 scarf. And the reason for that is it's just a repeat of the same 3 steps over and over until your texture or your material looks like this. This is a scarf I'm working on for my challenge for Scarves for the Homeless. And I thought this was really pretty, I mean, it's drapey and it's got a lot of holes, but it's very, very warm. So I am using 2 balls. Let me get this here. 2 balls of this yarn I got at the Dollar Tree. It's Crafter Square and kind of a, doesn't really give a name, but it's kind of a light baby blue color. So far I've done almost 2 of these 132 yard skeins. And it's pretty long already, as you can see, so I think 2 is going to be plenty. But let's go ahead and grab our knitting needles and some yarn, and let's jump right in to the easy as 1, 2, 3 scarf. Okay guys, so I am back. I just grabbed a ball of this worsted weight yarn. It's a little bit thicker than the yarn I'm making my scarf with, so I figured it'd be easier to see on camera. And of course I'm using my trusty double pointed bamboo needles. I think these are a size 10. So let's go ahead and do a long tail cast on. I'm not going to do a super long cast on just because I don't have a lot of room on my double points, but you do want to make sure you cast on a multiple of 3 plus 2. So if you're new to knitting, all that means is you're going to want to cast on in sets of 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, however many sets of 3 you want to make your project as wide as you need, and then you're going to add 2 extra stitches at the end. So let's go ahead and cast on, and you can cast on in any method that you prefer. I'm just going to do a long tail one here real quick. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and I'll probably do about 15, I think. 13, 14, 15, and then, so I've done my sets of 3, as many as I want, and then I'm going to add 2 more stitches. So these 2 stitches are going to be 1 for the front of your edge and 1 for the end. So those are kind of your salvage edges. Okay, so the first step, and let me zoom in a little bit here. The first thing you're going to do is you're just going to knit this first stitch. Just plain knit, nothing fancy. This is not included. This is not part of the pattern. Okay, so now to begin your pattern, the first step in the 1, 2, 3 scarf is going to be to knit 1. So you're going to knit that first one after your salvage stitch. Yarn over. So again, to yarn over, you're going to yarn over counterclockwise around your right hand needle. So you're creating together like it was 1. Okay, so we are going to knit these 2 stitches as if they were 1. And that's your repeat. So that's the 1, 2, 3 pattern. Next stitch, you're going to knit. Then you're going to yarn over and knit 2 together. So you're going to repeat that process of knitting 1, yarning over, knitting 2 together until you get down to your last stitch. So let me try that one more time. Knit 1, yarn over, and knit 2 together. So you guys, I'll pause here. You guys go ahead and repeat that to the end of your row till you have 1 stitch left. Okay guys, so I have repeated my process of knitting 1, yarning over, knitting 2 together until I get down to my last stitch. So I have 1 stitch left. And I like to do this. I like to yarn over and slip. Now you can knit that however you prefer. I like to slip my last stitch purl-wise with the yarn in front because it helps keep a clean salvage edge. It'll create a nice pretty chain stitch up the sides. Okay, and that's it. That's how you do the 1, 2, 3 scarf. So again, this does not count, this first stitch does not count as part of your pattern. So you're just going to knit it. And then you're going to begin your pattern. So knit 1, yarn over, knit 2 together. Knit 1, yarn over, and knit 2 together. And I'll go ahead and finish this up to the end of the row. But that's it, guys. Very simple, very easy scarf. Knit 1, yarn over, knit 2 together. Knit 1, yarn over, knit 2 together. Knit 1, yarn over, knit 2 together, and then slip your last stitch. And that's it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please comment below. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. I'm here for you every Monday with Make and Knit Monday, and I hope to see you guys next week. Bye. Hey guys, Sarah here with Boho Stitchery. Welcome back to my